Welcome to my channel. Texapon gel, known as SLES, is now on the high side. From 3,500 now is sold for 7,000 to 8,000 naira. As a soaper, we are now finding it difficult to achieve transparent soap. Okay, so in this video I'll be taking you guys through how I achieve this good soap. In here is my bucket of water, 10 liters. We are making 10 liters production. As you've seen me, I divided the water, 3 liters into my purple bowl and 2 liters into my transparent 4-liter bucket. Okay, and here now we are going to be dissolving our SLS rice. I will be putting all the list of the chemicals in the video. Okay, you guys will see it at the last or in the middle. I'll just place it there. So I dissolve my SLS rice. Now it's time for me to dissolve my soda ash inside my 2-liter water. Remember, in this 2 liters bucket is where I'll be dissolving my soda ash. That is my sodium sulfate. The first chemical I dissolve there is soda ash, and the second one that goes in is our sodium sulfate, and the third one is our salt. Okay, if we like, we can separate them in bowls, but all the water, whatever you are going to do in this production, you'll be taking your water from your 10 liters of water to make this production. Mix all the ingredients and set it aside. Okay, now here is my, I took about 200 ml to dissolve our methylparaben. If you have sodium benzoate, you can make use of it. It's a preservative. Okay, make use of your choice of preservative here, but I use methylparaben. If you have sodium benzoate, use it. In here is our nitroso. Please, on this nitroso issue, when you are getting a nitroso, visit the chemical store and tell them to give you original nitroso. We have cornstarch as nitroso in the market that they will sell for you, so get original nitroso. Okay, so the rest of our water is where we dissolve our nitroso here. So you just mix it, stir it very well. If you are using stir rod, use. If you are having wicks, more easier to achieve the dissolvement. Okay, I love using wicks in my production and I'm used to it. I don't think I can even use turning stickers. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Love my channel. Like, share this video to friends and families. Love you. So you can see the transparency of this nitroso, right? That is original nitroso. When you're working with original nitroso, you will know it. Okay, that's it. You see the transparency already. So we'll just leave our chemicals to dissolve before we now come back and add our sulfonic acid into our SLS solution. So you add your sulfonic acid in it and mix it till everything breaks and it dissolves very well. Make sure it's properly dissolved. So when that is done, I'm adding in our methylparaben into our SLS and sulfonic solution to mix. You can add them into your main production one by one, but I prefer it this way. It's more easier for me. So you can see the transparency of this nitroso. This is original nitroso. Okay, not cornstarch in the market. This is pure nitroso. You can see that transparency, right? We can even manipulate this now and dissolve SLS and just add it to it, add salt or whatever, it will thicken up, and there we've achieved another soap entirely. That's just an idea. Maybe if I have time one day, I will just work on it and post to the channel. So we'll add in the SLS sulfonic and sodium benzoate as our preservative or methylparaben into our nitroso and mix it very well. You can see how foamy this thing is. Please, if you are, don't do the mistake that I did here. Actually, I know how to control this, but when you are making this, get a bigger bowl. Okay, get a very big bowl that it will not make your ingredients to be splashing out. So after that, stir it very well. This is our sodium sulfate, soda ash and salt solution. You can see that I allow it to what, dissolve very well before making use of it. You can see the clarity. So you just add it. This will serve as your thickening agent. Okay, and the soda ash is to soften the water. Okay, is a cleaning agent. You can see that is the residues from our sodium sulfate. So just add it and mix. It's already thickening up. I just want you guys to see the look. It's thickening up. Just mix it properly and make sure everything is well mixed. You can see the thickness. Here is our perfume. Now somebody will ask, which perfume did you use? Oh, I use banana perfume only. If you like, you can combine your perfume. Use banana, ambipo, lemon, orange, any one of your choice. But I made use of banana alone in this recipe. So you just scoop out some of your soap and use it to dissolve your perfume. That's it. Just take some part of the soap and dissolve your perfume so that it will neutralize first, so that everything you've achieved so far will not turn to liquid, because there are some perfume that are very tricky. Can you see that it's now liquidy? So just turn it inside your main production, mix everything, take your time. Okay, after adding your perfume, just take your time and mix it very well. So after mixing, achieving your desired mixture, simple. The next thing is for us to just cover this. Okay, we'll be covering our production. That's it. Just cover it. Wait till maybe next day. If you like, at that moment you can add your color actually, but I'm going to work. I just covered it up. After work, here is me in my workroom. I added my color and I'm going to package this for sales because it's already booked. So I'm selling this already. Is already booked, and you can see I added my color. When adding color into your liquid soap, please make sure it's light. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well by subscribing to my channel, like, share, okay, to friends and family, and stay tuned for more video like this. Okay, I'll be posting when I have time because I have work. So when I'm off work, I normally take time to make production. Our back soap classes is on, our liquid soap classes is on. Okay, join today. Bye, see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.